Hey, one more quick tip for you while I'm out here in the desert enjoying this. I just don't want to leave. I just like being out here. We're just making a quick stop on a trip. Quick thing. So when you're setting up your metrics inside your Facebook Ads Manager, a couple things that the things that I like to look at. At the ad level, I like to see, of course, the relevance score and the cost, the impression cost. So the impression cost tells you a lot. So what will typically happen is the higher, relatively speaking, when your relevance scores are high, your impression cost should be lower. And I typically see there's a relationship. So if your relevance score drops, you should see your impression costs go up. And so when I see when there's a trend for the impression cost to going up, when I see that trend, I take that as a signal from Facebook that it's time to change my ad. And I've seen this happen many times where I'm working with a group of people in my mastermind, and they've got a product that is just they're scaling. It's scaling. It's running for months and really doing a great job, and then all of a sudden they start seeing the performance degrade, and it starts to falter. It's not as profitable, and things just aren't working out. So, and most of the time, we can see a trend over weeks or even months of the impression cost going up and the relevant scores kind of starting to slip. And so the solution is often just refreshing the creative, which is typically a video ad. So what normally completely fixes this is to do a total reshoot of the video ad. You may take the same recipe, show the same things in the same scenes, but reshoot it, maybe in just a different place, but make it so it's different. All right. So just a quick tip for you there, and look forward to our next video.